a medication they will produce. This medication will look like inhaler. Yes, this medication will look like inhaler, as if it is something that was sort of like the way this asthma, that's so good. Just something about that. As you take in, it looks like it is scattering it, but actually it is weakening your organs inside. It is weakening your lungs, kidneys, and things like just weakening it by the day. It looks like it is leaving you. Those people that are struggling to breathe, they will bring solution that will look like inhaler or something about tablets. They will bring special centers where they will distribute the medications. They will bring special center where they will distribute the medications, like in form of like special aid. That a new way of controlling it have come. Now that they have not got a total cure, but a way of subduing it. You understand? A way of subduing it. If you can take this one, if you can take this medication, then take this inhaler, or take this. When you inhale it down, now it will look like relief to those people that are. It has come to that point where they are beginning to have struggles in their breath. Where it will look like struggles in their breath. Actually, part of the chemical they use to produce this disease, I mean this coronavirus disease, part of it appears to be like the chemical they use to do cement. Yes, the chemical, it look like part of the contents they use to do cement. Because I'm seeing, God is showing me something like cement dust flowing up, as if I see cement, they just hit the pack like this, and the smoke, the dust just raise up. As if the dust just raise up, and God is pointing to that. It is part of the chemical they used. Like it is part of the chemical they used. It depends on the strength of your body system, as in the strength of your immune system, how long it will hold you down and how long it's going to cut you down. Will depend on the immune system. So those people that have been smoking, drinking and womanizing will be at higher risk. Yes, they will be at higher risk. Those that have been smoking, that information and instruction have been given, warnings have been given to them, this will be their end. More like this will be a cut down for them, as in like this is their own judgment. Yes. This is their own judgment. It will take divine intervention. Even if they take medication, they will just be falling from one sickness to the other because of the damage it is going to cause in them. Yes. I mean this virus right now, the coronavirus is the COVID-19. Yes. Now, it will damage a lot of things, even to those who that will manage to stay for a while. It will gradually. So, how long you have smoked, drink or like hard, take like hard drinks, like strong alcoholic or like all those people that goes to club and do some things and all that, and people that are being humanized from one place to the other and all that. This will be a major judgment for them. This will be a major judgment for them. And God is also showing me something like, I see some strange ladies going to clubs with some things that look like, it still look like inhaler, but there's a way it has something injection related something or whatever powder something. There's a way they design it like inhaler too. They put it in their bags. It is to deliberately poison most rich men that will be in the clubs. Yes, they will be using it to poison people's drinks. And men that will, all these celebrity men and all these people that are thinking that money have come, they can use it anyhow. Many of them will be poisoned in the club. They will come home and begin to suffer different sicknesses, and within 2 weeks, their case will be closed. Within 2 and at most 3. Within 2 and at most 3. And if not, the people that have the money and maybe they fly, fly them to a competent medical facility. They will be able to stay for a while, but they can't be guaranteed back to full health. They can't be guaranteed back to full health. They can't be guaranteed back to full health. I'm seeing such another type of wickedness. It is targeted towards some rich elites. It is targeted towards people that like clubbing and living careless lifestyle, immoral lifestyle. You see strange ladies, strangely beautiful ladies will be attending clubs. Ladies they have not been seen in clubs will be attending clubs. But this is a game. A lot of men will be poisoned. A lot of men will be poisoned. But unfortunately, they will see many ladies' bodies also on the road. They will see many ladies' bodies also on the roadside. Terrible things are going to happen. Terrible things. Terrible things. I see real people take things for granted in 2021 when extremely strange things begin to happen before people wake up. Extremely strange things that make people to begin to say, this one is too much. No. We have to get up. But it has taken a lot of things there. It has spoiled a lot of things. The world will also wake up to prayers. In 2021, the world will wake up to prayers. Yes. The world at some point from the month of April, the kind of strange things that will happen by next year, it will be too strange that even a dummy would say, no, this is not normal. This is not normal. There is only one way you can get this. Okay, there is only one way you can get this settled. Why have to go back to the root? Why have to go back to the root? Something is possible. So, it seems God is showing you that from the month of June, we're seeing careless deaths. Careless deaths that some of them, they will not really be able to really ascertain exactly how did this person die. It will be difficult to really ascertain how did this person die. Sometimes it looks like malaria boys. As they try to give any medication, instead of the medication to kill the problem, it will rather suddenly change something. Suddenly change either the skin color of the person or suddenly change something about the person. And while they're looking at that, say, what is this? This is strange. The person is dead. And the person dies, the color comes back. Or the person comes back to normalcy. That will be another strange event that will happen. That will be another strange event that will happen. So, doctors will still make an announcement. They can leave. Doctors will still make another kind of announcement. They will say they are trying to follow up a particular new case that they are seeing now. People who are being brought to hospital for malaria and feverish conditions and things like that, and while they thought they should just take care of them with the normal medications, and then all of a sudden, as soon as they apply it, maybe after a day or two or after some hours, things suddenly change to something different from the normal malaria symptoms. And while they are trying to why is this in this way? Person is dead. Why they are trying to why is this happening? Like strange death. Some strange death will take place. Later part of the series, some strange death. Except prayers. Pray prayers. Thank God for houses like this. Strategic, critical prayers. This is why God is telling us to keep our head down. This is why God has been ringing the alarm. The time is here. This is why God has been saying, anything that is not yet done, follow it up. Anything that is not yet clear, clear it up. Balance on everything. The time has come. This is why God has been giving all these signals strongly. The time has come. The time has come. The time has come. Strange things will happen. Strange things. Strange things will happen. Strange things will happen. Strange things. Strange things that some of the kind of things doctors will see, it will be difficult for them to explain. Some deaths that will be experienced in certain hospitals, even the doctors will find it difficult to understand exactly how did this person die. Exactly how did this person die. They will have to make fresh research. They will have to make fresh research because they will bring about 3 different kinds of medication concerning this COVID-19. They will bring some about 3 different kinds. About 3 different kinds. If you remember, if it could be recalled, that 31st December 2019, crossing over to 1st January 2020 this year. If any person could record the message, at least it was shown first that look, China is about to do something. Yes, will not only make them run around, but the world will run around. The world will run around. Something is about to happen. A dark cloud that will come in form of disease will pass through the air. That it is an airborne disease. It is an airborne disease, but it is not natural. If any person recall, by then these things, none of them had shown anywhere. That they knew that China will structure up something. China will structure up. And supposing China also did not do it. Supposing China also did not do it. Some strange chemical weapons are in different stages of completion, even in the United States. Even in the United States. Some strange chemical weapons are in different strategic way for like micro-size applications to be applied to different targeted parts of the world to see how it works. Some of the chemicals they use to structure some of the high caliber bioweapons, they use the smaller ones to make a little try. They reduce it in a way, do it in a way that they do a little try of it to see how effective it will be. Since some of the world bodies and all that have not been able to give the go ahead to test certain level of or certain calibers of weapons, looking at the destructive abilities and such kinds of weapons. They have decided to do some micro size things. Actually, different types are going on right now. There are 4 powerful countries. Apart from that of China, there are 4 powerful countries. They should watch out for Japan. They should watch out for Japan. Then, I think Korea too.
Not Korea reached the test of their
This one is chemical weapons. Some bioweapons. Japan is having their own. America is producing another one. Yes. America have their own that they are producing. It's not yet completed. They are working on it. It has been on stage. It has been worked on for the past 3 years. They have been working on it. There was one that they have tried working on for the past 12 years. But they saw that one would be more sensitive. That of the Americans was not too much to kill, but to weaken humanity. But to weaken, that is, if they do it, the intake of it in a few days can weaken their organ system. But they are also preparing the possibility of curing when it has been confirmed effective. Definitely it will kill. It will kill, a couple of unlucky people. It will kill definitely a couple of unlucky people, but it was to test run. There is one they have been working on for the past 12 years. That one is hyperactive. That will kill very fast, within 3 days. That will kill within 3 days. In Uganda, it won't live beyond 3 days, except by divine intervention, it's still to the 4th day. And if not, by divine intervention alone, can you escape? But they kept down in wraps. They left it at the last stage because of the activeness of it. It even affected the people that worked on it. It even affected the people contracted to formulate it. It's underground from world powers. So China decided to make their own test first. But Americans will revenge. This COVID-19 will be avenged. Americans will revenge. Although China is prepared. North Korea is prepared. Some high caliber first world countries. Some of the world power countries are already prepared. They are looking at the possibility. They are working towards the possibility of making air defense against bioweapons like this. This one now had confirmed they have been looking into it, and some country actually have it. But now they are looking at the effectiveness of it. How sensitive, how effective will it be in case something like this flashes through? How do they escape it? And what's the possibility that it will be able to cross through the airspace into targeted countries, especially of those world power countries? So they are also making a counter system that will be able to counter it should such come. It will be able to stop it.
Yes.
It will be able to stop it. So a lot of things are ahead. The world is about to experience something new. But I tell you, Americans won't forgive this thing. American government won't forgive this thing. They will launch back, but somehow it will not be too effective. But they will get back. They will get back at China. Then later on they will discover that some Islamic countries, maybe one or two rich Islamic countries, make some contributions at the background. Some Islamic countries also have a knowledge of it, and maybe try to do this in order to, since the target was more like as if let's try something, but America had some sense of targeting it. So those people try to say let's try something to the other world and see how it is. But that Islamic country try to inject it towards that, more like try to give them the support and tell them, especially America, trying to point them to America. While they, the Chinese, were careful not to directly go there.
Yes.
They were careful not to directly go there. But the reason for for that, those Islamic countries that knows about it, the reason they gave a lending support to it was like, even if you are shooting back, particularly America, you understand? Let's use this chance to deal with America. Let's use this chance to deal with America. So, something is about to happen. I tell you people, this year 2020 and 2021 will be very terrible. Many will be on the ground and many will be at the top. Many will, over years and over time, have not been allowed to take their rightful place at the top, will suddenly have an express stairway down there, or sorry, up there, while some mighties will fall because of their health. Many will go down. Some will fall to the grave, while some will fall to the ground. Some will fall to the grave, and some will fall to the ground. The world will experience some severe suspicions. Nation will rise against nation and suspicions. They will begin to place some high-tech system. So that is, after now, it will become more stringent and more like, it will become more, they will put more restrictions. It will become stricter to get some country visas, except you meet certain needs. Except you meet certain needs. Except you meet certain needs. Except you meet up certain requirements. Otherwise, something is about to happen. Something is about to happen. The world will experience an onset of death later this year. An onset of death. So that is why we have to pray. We have to pray. That is why all Christians, it is time. Not just I'm a Christian, it's no, those that know their God, they say they have to do the exploit. Yes. Those that know their God, they say they're time to do the exploit. Our tablet spoke most of this kind of time. Our tablet spoke most of this kind of times. Our tablet spoke most of this kind of time. Not too long a time, there will be an assassination attempt. If not successful, there will be an assassination attempt on a high caliber government official in one of the countries, one of the foreign countries. There will be a high, that is, there will be a very near, that is, a near success attempt, assassination attempt on the life of either president, vice, or prime minister, or head of the head of the lawmaking body. Yes, head of the lawmaking body. But a lot of exposures will be made. A lot of exposures will be made. A lot of exposures will be made. Very soon a lot of exposures will be made. Very soon a lot of exposures will be made. At some point, the president of this country, I mean Nigeria, at some point he will almost be exposed to the point that it will come to a point where it will look like almost all evidence to prove this is not the one Nigeria voted for. It will come to that is the almost bare point where almost every evidence will float up. Where almost every evidence will float up. Almost where unthinkable evidence will be floating out from different corners. Leakages upon leakages, betrayal upon betrayal. We don't. Leakages upon leakages, betrayal upon betrayal. They told you not be able to remove it. But a lot will follow you. A lot will follow you. World needs to pray. Those that know their God will do exploit, and those that call upon Him of the Lord shall be saved. So, what is that? That is that. Some amount of violence will break out in South Africa. Some amount of violence will break out in South Africa. I don't know what's happening, but I don't know what will come up, but I'm seeing police struggling with people on the streets. I'm seeing police struggling with people on the streets. Some issues, crisis, chaos will come up. Some chaos will come up on the streets of South Africa. There'll be some issues. There'll be some issues. Some issues. No place to give God thanks. Just like we have always done. We have prayed. We keep ourselves prepared. I see this as mentioned against the vision of this house. This is combination of all the world powers against the vision of this house. Because in that our tablet, as the Lord revealed to us, as the Lord revealed to us, once Nigeria is saved and Africa is saved, the world will be saved.
Yes.
So that is why the world from the upper side is bargaining. So through this, the poverty of Africa will become their weakening point that the world powers will use to intervene in the name of helping them, giving them aid. Because some countries will look for where to borrow money to meet up the pressure, the economic consequence of this whole disease. It is either they watch their citizens die, or they have to borrow in order to get the right equipment and protective materials, and also feeding the people that will be both the people that will be victimized and the people that the workers, and then the people, indigenous that are not yet affected, how to cater for them in a way that they will be able to keep to the state lines of staying back home until the season is past.
Yes.
So that is what is ahead. So that is where most of the world powers will tie up some countries. They will enter some agreement. And some countries will be under pressure to accept those agreements. When they accept those agreements, they are automatically seen to give. They will give the aid, but it is in exchange for the soul of that nation.
Yes.
It is in exchange for the soul of that nation. Some world powers, some agencies, and some world agencies, and some companies, some wealthy individuals, and some organizations, both or like all these NGOs and things like that, will come, will take advantage of this over some smaller countries and some economically, weak and feeble countries. Use this to enter in and debt it increase, and those nations begin to raise alarm. They will step in and do as if they want to help them. And it is to say, if we are waiting to help, start here now from today onward, whatever we say, that is what you are going to do. Whatever you say, that is what you are going to do. Then they will, if they agree, they will put some tough strategic things on ground. Some of them will even go as far as to plant bombs and some real destructive measures on the ground without the country. This is why every country will have to be on guard. They will pass through IMF and different areas, the World Bank, International Monetary Fund, and things like that, to try to borrow money. But the process, it might take an hour, that might be wasting time. Why these people say, we are an organization like this, we want to make some donation to help the government fight COVID-19 and things like that, and get some drugs, get some protective materials and things like that. And it appears very real that it is at the expense of the soul of the nation. The people will be spiritually sold to unknown forces. The people will be spiritually sold to unknown forces. So when the new world order comes, those nations will not have say. They will have to follow. They will have to keep to the binding. The binding of agreement they had with their donors and all that, for the people that help them. So, it is why every Christian was thoroughly reconciled with God. This is no longer the days of I'm going to church. This is no longer the days of tithe and offering. This is a time to know their God. Only those who know their God now will be able to make consultation with God over this and future event that is ahead of us. The many events that will follow. Some will escape this one. Some will escape this one. Will save only the other ones. A new medication will be made. It look more like malaria medication. Because some people, because of the kind of medication they will give them and all that, they will be prone to constant malaria. They will be prone to constant malaria, feverish conditions, and it's the worst. They will be prone to falling in and out of this and that. So they will produce new malaria medication. A new malaria medication will be introduced into the market. That will be very fast. It will look like, they will say, it handles different kinds of malaria. It handles different kinds of malaria. My dear, that thing will take the malaria away actually. But it will go in there and begin to cause damage. It will go in there and begin to cause damage. That will eventually lead to a family death. Unexpected death. The person suddenly break down. After some months, after taking it, the malaria or the feverish condition will leave. But once the person take it, within a few days, the person will be strong. But after some months, it will start to swell. What it will destroy inside the person's body will lead to the person suddenly breaking down without signs. And that breakdown. So, without it all. So, without it all from Africa, that's the most scariest thing. That is the scariest part of it. So, I tell the person, is trying to reconcile with their God. And it is trying to reconcile with their God and be really reconcile the spirit and the truth and begin to make use of it. So that when God sees the blood of his only begotten Son Jesus Christ on your door, he will pass by. Do you remember the 31st breaking fast, 31st December?
Yes.
2019 breaking 1st January 2020 message about the when I see the blood, I will pass by.
Yes.
Yes. That's what is going to come up. Later this year. That will be the mark that the death, the strikes of death will not perish. This is why God has been showing different revelations about either angel of death or somebody moving about and that is testing people and killing people. So you can see this one and be tested myself to see what God has taken. That angel that have power over the souls. This is why we must already fought part of the earth. God is also that death and hell was following him. About this season. Because the world is also blind to distract many as possible, so that fear will catch up the rest to bow to fears and prejudice. That is how God is also using that chance to wipe off those people that refuse to believe in him, so that he can save his own and bring in the new world. Instead of the new world order to take effect, the new world will take place. So this is why we must walk, because God is also counting on us that we have disappointed. So this is why we must walk all to it and see that whatever is the heart of Father.
This is Good Shepherds TV 1, the channel that talks about God and the mysteries of his kingdom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. God bless you.